Hey, my divas. Welcome to Nail Care with Nisi. Today, we're going to talk about how to care for your cuticles or how to prepare your cuticles when you're getting ready to do nail enhancements like gels or acrylics or just a basic manicure. So I have these two products that I want to share with you today that I've had for a long time, and it's like they last forever because it's like they never they never run out because you need such a small amount of it. The first one is the Nail Savvy Cuticle Remover, and I got this from Sally's. And the next one is the Cuticle Softener from Revlon. And I think I got this from Walmart, but both of them pretty much do the same thing. The purpose of them is to soften up your cuticles so that you can push them back and remove them from your nail bed when you're getting ready to do a manicure or a gel set or acrylic set. So this is how the cuticle remover looks. It's like a gel. It's a gel consistency, like jelly, kind of. And so is the cuticle softener from Revlon. It's a jelly type of consistency. Yes. So you just put it on your cuticle. The directions is apply it to the cuticle as needed over bare nails or dry nails, and then massage it in with your fingertips for healthy moisturized cuticles. So you just let it sit on there for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then you just work on removing your cuticle with a cuticle pusher. So the reason you would want to use one of these is because it can safely remove your cuticles and get them ready for removal, because sometimes people use the metal cuticle pushers and we end up scratching our nails and pressing too hard and damaging our cuticles in the process. And then a lot of people use the cuticle snippers, and that is, to me, I'm like, no, I am not. Your cuticles look just fine without, snipping them off, because you can just really kind of just file that area and that be good enough. So I will get more extensive into that, sharing with you how to prepare your nails and how to do the best prep. But if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below and let me know what you struggle with in your nail journey. I have finally got to a place where my nails are staying on 2, 3, 4 weeks, and I'm not having any problems with lifting. That's because I've changed my method and I've added some secret weapons into my arsenal. So if you're enjoying these videos, please give it a thumbs up and check out the playlist right here. I'm going to have a whole playlist about my nail care so that you can see the things that I do to take care of my nails. Also, tips, tricks, and hacks will be over here. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next episode, okay? See you next time, my beauties. Bye.